In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best ball hopper tennis that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Wilson Tennis Ball Pickup Hopper. My favorite ball hopper on the market is the Wilson 75 Tennis Ball Pickup Hopper. It's no frills, yet it checks all the right boxes. Its carrying capacity is more than sufficient, it doubles as a hopper to collect balls, and it just works. When standing, there are slots to lock the legs if you choose, but honestly, I never feel the need to use them. It also has a sturdy lid that prevents accidental spills. There's a light protective coating that will help shield the metal, but don't expect too much from it. Courts are abrasive, so anytime the basket handles or bottom rub against it or the handles hit the side, it will wear. Some minor rust may develop over time, but that's pretty much the case with every ball hopper I've ever used. Number 2. Tourna Ballport Deluxe with wheels. Next up, the Ballport Deluxe from Tourna is another long-standing option that's worth checking out. Two features that make it popular are the hopper's plastic construction, which helps reduce weight while also helping eliminate any rust for that part of the basket, and it also has wheels for transportation. The bars at the bottom for collecting balls move and flex slightly to make pressing down on balls easier. Furthermore, it has a locking mechanism for the handles when it's standing upright for feeding balls or practicing your serve. Number 3. Gamma Ball Hopper High-Rise Gold. Another excellent ball hopper is the Gamma High-Rise Gold, which holds 75 balls like the Wilson ball hopper. To help protect against rust and prolong the basket's life, it has a polyester coating for added durability. Furthermore, you'll also find the basket offers floating rods at the bottom, which move slightly to the side when pressing down to collect balls and make it easier. Like other ball hoppers, it will develop rust over time due to the court's abrasive surface and the arms or legs coming in contact with the side of the hopper, but it's what I'd consider normal wear and tear. Number 4. Kollectaball Hopper Ball Collector. If you're looking for a faster way to pick up tennis balls, then the Kollectible hooper might be more your speed. It's an entirely different concept from your typical ball hopper, but every bit as effective at the task. Instead of pressing, you roll a cage of 60 flexible wires over the balls, which open to allow balls in, not out. When rolling a Kollectible hopper, you can adjust the handle's height if you prefer, and when turned upside down, they double as legs. Once again, you can change the legs for the desired feeding height. Number 5. Tourna Tenn Tube Tennis Ball Pickup. An alternative to the Tourna tennis tube is the Gamma Ball Tube, which has virtually identical features. The only difference is that the Gamma Ball Tube holds a maximum of 18 balls, and it comes with a strap for carrying if that's of interest to you. It also comes in clear plastic or red.